Hi y'all, Liz here, along with Scales and your daily lizard. All right, so talking about scaling, and today is Forward Friday. So we got a little mini challenge for you. The mini challenge is have one person, whether it's you or someone in your office, one of your VAs, anybody, don't care who, work through one of your systems completely according to the workflow that you have designed, starting from step 1, going all the way through to step 45, whatever step it is. All right. All the way through, following your exact process. Along the way, while you're doing that, or while you're having that person do it, have them record that. Maybe make a Loom video or use LizA.R.D.S and have them record what they're doing. And let's see if they can actually follow all the way through without needing to add in an extra step. If they need to add an extra step, great, add it in. If they need to pull out an extra step, great, yank that little puppy out of there. Let's get one workflow that somebody works all the way through and have that one set in stone. We're going to talk next week about creating that process roadmap, and you'll have one system or one process that is perfect and ready and good to go. So for today, Focus Friday is get that one process completely done and worked out, somebody doing it in real time while you record it. Use Loom, use Zoom, use whatever you want. Scribe that house so you can get it in writing as well. All right. Also, it's Friday. Traction. Book of the week. Actually, one of the books that we'll be using all month long is Traction. If you haven't read this book, I know you've heard of it, get out there and start reading it. If you have read it and you're like, wow, it was dense, and it was a tough read, it was a tough slog, that's okay. Just start again. Start reading it, and this time maybe pick just one chapter on processes, because that's what we're talking about this month. All right, everybody, that's it. Y'all have a great week and talk to you next week. Bye, y'all.